lastly, well, we're going to be covering brake fluid. Now, the most common myth out there is that a braking system is a sealed system and that you don't need to change your brake fluid. Wrong. It's an absolute myth. You do need to change your brake fluid and change it quite often. In fact, I just bled my braking system from a relatively new vehicle and this is what I got. Tea-colored brake fluid. That's bad news. You know, brake fluid is hygroscopic, which means that it attracts water. You don't want water in there because the more water that's in your system, the more likely that brake fluid is to boil. Boiling causes vapor and air in your braking system is bad news. Change your brake fluid at least once a year and keep your brakes in good condition. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Take care of your car and your car will take care of you.